Hello everyone, this is Reggie Patterson and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tip. Today we are going to be talking about a way you can start monetizing your written PLR content. The very first thing when you get written PLR is that you want to take a look at the subject, and of course you really should be reading through the entire thing. You should know it. I'm not saying you have to know it backwards and forwards, but you should have a pretty good idea of what it's saying. And then the next thing you're going to do is get all of the relevant affiliate links that you can that relates to anything inside of the content. Get all of them. And so this is really going to require you to start by going to all of the places where you can apply to be an affiliate regarding anything inside of the content, so that you can begin to really, at minimum, use that content in order to get people to click on your links as part of your affiliate promotion. Now, it doesn't have to rise to the level of calling it an affiliate promotion. What you do want to have is you want to have in place the ability to monetize any content that you have that's going to be written. And typically, if you are going to become an affiliate for any product, you're going to have the presence to get approved. So people are going to want to see that if they approve you as an affiliate, you're going to represent the product that you're going to be selling. And so if you don't have a presence, you need to put one together that is as representative of what it is that you do and who it is you're going to be. That means you're going to need to have a website. I'm going to say you need to have a self-hosted WordPress blog, but it doesn't have to be WordPress. It can be something like Wix, it can be some other platform, but it needs to be your site. It needs to be your brand. It doesn't have to be your name, it can be your brand name, but it does need to be your site, your home base where you are going to present yourself online, whatever it is your brand is. You should have a niche-related YouTube channel. Now, you may not want to create videos, but from the start, you should have a related YouTube channel that represents your brand tied to your website. And now you may not be at that point where you're creating YouTube videos, but having a YouTube channel is a fact of life, and so it typically is going to mean that you're going to put some graphics on there. You're going to want to make sure that the graphics are consistent with all the other graphics you have on your site, all of your other logos, and all the other things. But again, even if you're not creating videos now, you want to set it up and you want to make sure that your YouTube channel is going to represent your brand. If you can, you should have an Amazon influencer account. Once again, it should represent your brand. It should match all the other branding. Now, what this does, obviously, is this is going to give you avenues for you to promote other products specifically on the largest retailer in the world. And then you need to have a related social media presence. Of course, that means your Facebook, that means LinkedIn, that means Instagram, that means all those other properties. You don't have to put them all together at once, but you want to make sure that when someone goes to Google your name or Google your brand, if they're going to approve you as an affiliate, that you look like someone that looks to be credible, that can promote their product and represent their brand well. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to get turned down if you don't do all these things, but at the very least, you need to get these things in motion if you're going to get approved as an affiliate. And you do want to be approved as an affiliate if you are going to maximize the most from your written PLR content. And while you're getting approved, this is typically not going to happen instantly, so start the process of creating content in these places. So start the process of creating content for your blog. Start the process of creating content for your YouTube channel. Start the process of creating content for your Amazon influencer account. Start the process of creating content for your social media presence. Now, you may not have started this, but again, what you're trying to do is you're trying to go to these places where you're going to get an affiliate link and you're going to tell them, you can approve me because I'm credible. Start creating content while you start the application process. And then start sharing that content on your blog. Start sharing that written content on LinkedIn. Start sharing that content on free blogging sites like Medium. There are a lot of them available, but you should be sharing written content on these sites. In some cases, you can use the PLR straight up because it's not going to be used by a lot of other people. But in other cases, you may want to have it rewritten. Then once you start having content and you're using the content, start adding in the affiliate links as you get approvals. So again, what are the steps? Make sure you've got a web presence. Start applying to get affiliate links. Start creating content. And again, as you start to create that content and you get approvals to become an affiliate, add in your affiliate links to that content. So if you've got any of this already done, obviously that's going to help you if you can start the monetization process right away. Now, if you would like some additional help getting started with this, my team has put together a video training that covers 11 different ways you can use and repurpose PLR to generate profits in your business. You can check that out at impc.ws/PPL. Also, be sure to check out our Digital Retirement Rebels Insiders Club. You can take a look at that at impc.ws/14day. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me tonight, and I will see you again next week. Take care.